Hello, my favorite kindergartners. It is Mrs. Shivani from the Syracuse Academy of Science and Citizenship. It is a rainy day at my house. What's the weather like at your house? It's cloudy, it's kind of cold, so I'm cozied up today, and I'm ready for a fun day of math because it doesn't matter what the weather's like, there's always time for math, right? It's always a good day for math. So today we'll start off with our fluency warm up. We'll do our application problem. We will get into our main lesson, which is about the number 8. And we will talk about what we learned, and then you'll do your active checkup for the day. So same as always. Let me share my screen with you and we'll get started. Today, if you have something to write with and write on, and if you have something to count with, that would be great. We will be using some different tools to count today, and we will be practicing writing number 8. So those would be some fun things to have if you don't have those things. So totally okay, just follow along with me. All right, here we go. Oh, so our goal, we're going to arrange and strategize. That means think about how to count beans in a circular array and in a scattered configuration. And we will also work on writing the number 8. And it's a fun number to write, one of my favorite numbers to write. All right, let's start off with a game called 5 Group Peekaboo, or 5 Frame Flash. So with this game, what I will do is show you this yellow rectangle, and then behind it is a 5 group, kind of like this. So I'm going to flash it to you really quick and then put it back, and then put the yellow thing back, the yellow rectangle back. And I want you to quickly subotize with your eyes how many dots there are, and then we'll check back and see if we were right. Okay? All right, here we go. This might be a little tricky to do on my computer, but well, we can get it done, right? Okay, ready? I was quick. I was really quick. How many were there? If you guessed 5, you were right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nice. Let's do 3 more like this. Ready? Peekaboo! I was quick again. Did you see 5 and 1? That makes 6. 5 and 1, 6. Good. 2 more. Peekaboo. Did you see 5 and 2? 5, 6, 7. Remember, we can count on 5, 6, 7. Nice. 1 more. Did you see 5 and 1? 6. Nice work. That one was really quick, huh? That last one I did was super quick. All right. Good work. I think we did all the ones I said we were gonna do, right? Okay, now let's get into our application problem. Ooh, I see some blocks down here. My son likes to play with these. Let's make 2 stacks of blocks with 4 each. Okay, so count with me. If you have something to count with, you can use it now too. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey, what letters do you see on these blocks? I see A and X and O up top, or maybe that's a 0. Hard to tell, right? Definitely A and X though. Okay, let's double check that we counted 4 because I got distracted with the letters. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep. Okay, 1 more stack. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we know we put 4 in this stack. So let's count on to see how many blocks we have total. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, our number of the day. All right, let's get into talking all about the number 8. So if you have something to count with, get it out and do it with me. If not, just follow along. Let's take 5 beans out of our bag. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. How many are left inside our bag? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 and 5. That makes 10. Okay. Now let's do a counting path and count these again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, if you are counting and I'm counting and a friend is counting and your mom's counting and your dad's counting, are we going to have the same counting path? No, probably not. And that's okay. As long as you know where you started and where you stopped, it doesn't matter what path you follow. You just have to be sure that you start at the same spot and end at the same spot. And you don't keep making that counting mistake like I sometimes do, huh? Okay, let's put our beans around the edge of the circle now. All right, now, do we still have 5? Yeah, we still have 5, but our magic number for the day is 8, not 5. So let's add some more until we get to 8. I'm gonna move all my beans over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now I'm gonna put some more over here until we get to 8. So let's count down. 5, 6, 7, 8. I don't need these two, right? Because I already got to 8. So we have 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's count one more time. Let's start here and we'll stop here. 1, 2, 3. Wait. That wouldn't be a good counting spot, right? I mean, let's start here and stop here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Stop. There we go. That's a good counting path. Okay. Now let's practice writing the number 8. If you have something to write with and write on, go ahead and get that out now. If you don't, that's okay. You can just write in the air with me. This is one of my favorite numbers to write. Make an S and do not stop. Go right back up. And an 8 you've got. I like that one. Let's do it in the air again. Make an S and do not stop. Go right back up and an 8 you've got. That is a good one. Or you can say, make an S, but do not wait. Go back to the top and that's an 8. Either one is a fun poem to say. I say both sometimes, so you might hear me say both. All right, let's practice writing it now. Make an S. Make an S. This is an S. That's why we say that. And do not wait. Go back to the top. That's an 8. Let's try again. Make an S and do not wait. Go back to the top. That's an 8. Let's do it 2 more times here on these lines. We'll say the other poem here in case you like that one better. Make an S and do not stop. Go right back up and an 8 you've got. Make an S and do not stop. Go right back up and an S and an 8 you got. We don't need 2 S's. We're kind of like an S backwards though, isn't it? Good one. I like this 8. If you like to make circles better like this, that's okay with me, but it's more efficient and that means it's quicker to make an S and not lift your pencil and just go right back up. That's more efficient. If you have to make 2 dots like that or 2 O's like that, it takes a little bit longer. This is nice and quick. All right, except you don't want that little guy hanging over, huh? All right, let's get into our problem set for the day. I think that you guys are gonna do a fabulous job with this one. Okay, so for lesson 22, you're gonna count the shapes and choose how many. Count, choose, and that is it. We're working on 6, 7, and 8 today. All right, whoa, we did a lot of work with the number 8 today. We discovered hidden partners of 5 and 3. That was exciting. We'll keep on going next math lesson. And If you wrote some 8s on a piece of paper, send them in to me or your teacher. We will love to see them. Keep practicing the numbers 6 and 7 and 8. Write all your numbers 1 through 8. It is so great to practice writing numbers because you're going to write them a lot in kindergarten and first grade and second grade. And I still write numbers a lot today too as an adult. So keep on practicing those numbers. All right, great job, kiddos. I will see you next math lesson. Adios.